Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is World Store that goes stores around the world. I went to 3 stores and compared them each of organic potato chips private labels. So let's get started. Oh, I'd love for you before you get started, thumbs up and subscribe and hit the notification bell. Then let's go. First, I went to Aldi. Is like Simply Nature private labels. So this is so interesting to me because it's vegetable chips. That's why I got it this one. Oh, and then but also is another vegetable chips and potato chips too. So anyway, I got it this one, and this one is 150 calories and only 90 sodium. Yeah, so I'll try it. Oh, actually, I opened everything before taking video, so please understand. Yeah. So this one is like this one, and this one. Yeah. Actually, yeah, they have is like red one and brown one, yellow one. It's several different kind of colors. So I think you can enjoy picking any colors. Yeah. So first is like brown one. And then red one. It's almost same flavor, I guess. Yeah, so yeah. Anyway, yeah, it's really not salty because it's only 90 milligrams. It's good, yeah. Second, and I went to Kroger, and this is Kroger's private label. It's called Simple Truth Organic. Yeah, so I got it. This wavy potato chips. This one is 150 calories and then 170 milligrams sodium. Then I'll try. This one is like just regular potato. Actually, it's not too much salty. Yeah. This one seems like this. It's not too much salty. Yeah. Good. And then, but also they have like BBQ, sour cream, and sea salt or any other flavors. So you can choose whatever you want. And actually, you know, have you heard of this snack, Stacy? I love this one. Yeah, but this is not organic brand, so it's much of salty. It has 280 milligrams sodium. Yeah, so it's pretty salty, but it's too crispy. Like scale one is so crispy. Yeah, especially I like this jalapeno, or it's like simple or cheese, like any other flavor, but I love this jalapeno flavor. Yeah. Can you hear this sound? So crispy, yeah. I love it with beer, you know, because when you eat it several snacks, then it's a little bit thirsty. That's why it needs water. So, but this is so crispy. That's why I love it. Yeah. Anyway, and then last, I went to Whole Food Market. This is 365. It's Whole Food Market's private label. This flavor is cheddar sour cream, and then 150 calorie and 125 is sodium. Yeah. I'll try. It's like, yeah. It's just a regular potato, but it's strong of little bit like cheese flavor. So if you like cheese, then definitely you love it. This one. But also they have also barbecue or Sizzle flavor, so you can choose whatever you want. I like it. Yeah. Yes. Thank you for my watching video. I'll like your any comments in what kind of organic food or any private label would you like to know about, or which stores comparison would you like to see. So write any comments. Yeah, and then don't forget to subscribe and then thumbs up. Yeah, thank you. Then see you in my next video. Bye.